Hello everyone, today we will be working with our feet and how to stretch our feet. The first exercise which we're starting to do, we fill up our body and sit more. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, sit. Working with the leg and moving. 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you want beautiful stretch and good feel your body, stay with me. Okay, then we will working with that. I will take more and sit. 2, sit. 3, sit. 4, sit. 5, sit. Okay, after that we will take our feet together and starting working takes 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take one back on another and working 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 and change. Take it 1, 2, 3. Okay, takes two legs together. Takes our feet on ourselves and slowly stretching down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will hope that you like it, subscribe me, takes me likes, and going to watch my another video. So bye bye.